I don't want. Alright, so we are now on chapter 3, the notes, AMAX notes, last page. Now, look at this now. So, I want to start. So, let's start together since it's a discussion. It says that this is bent into a rectangle. Can you tell me 24 cm is area or perimeter? Mingyue, are you okay? Area or perimeter? Perimeter. Who don't agree? All agree. Okay. Then it says, let x be the length of the rectangle, then a to be the area. So express a in terms of x. Let's try. If I have the rectangle, and this is x, can you tell me the length? Now, in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Who not sure how to start? X minus 24 wrong. 24 minus x wrong. Minus 2x. Let's try. So don't just cheat like that. Form the equation. Something add together equals to 24. You want to try? X plus I don't know plus I don't know is equal to 24. Make sense? Even writing this will help. Because writing this means 2x plus 2 I don't know equals to 24. And I want to find the I don't know. So I must have to do the 2x. Minus. So 2 I don't know equals to 24 minus 2x. And how do I find I don't know? Divide by 2. No. So you need to write. Can you write down a statement? Let I don't know be the length of rectangle. You need to introduce what is the alphabet. Otherwise, you will forever be I don't know. Mingyue, is there something wrong with your t-shirt? With your shirt? Is there something wrong with your shirt? Oh. Oh, because usually inside got the PE t-shirt. Look like not button like that, but got button. Okay. Alright, continue. So I want area. Area equals to length times breadth. So what is my length? 24 minus 2x over 2 times x. Question. Now people start to unbutton. Now, question. If I have this x, does it belong to top, bottom, or both? Again, x belongs to top, bottom, or both? One say top. Meaning this x belongs to top, bottom, or both? Do I need to make x the denominator the same? No need, because this is multiply. Bottom is wrong, top and bottom is wrong. It's just top. Reason, very simple. When I times two fractions together, it's just top times top, bottom times bottom. Therefore, the final answer will be 24 minus 2x times x over 2. Say I want to make the answer beautiful. I can do something to the 24 and 2. No good. The F word. Factorize, you see what will come out? What will come out? 2. So can you write down 2x? What is left inside? 12. No more 2, no more 2. So therefore the answer is x 12 minus x. Factorize, okay. Expand, okay. I leave it to you. So I hashtag here. Zoom out a little bit. I want to read the question. The question says A is done. B. Is the size okay? Enough for you to copy? B enough for you to copy? Let me read the question. Find the range such that area is greater than 27. Can you highlight area greater than 27? Form an inequality. Write the word area. Show me the inequality sign. Then write the 27. So, what I want you to write, area something 27. In 5 seconds, write down what you think is correct. I zoom in again. So I refer to the sentence. Come again? Yes, that is why the divide by 2 disappear. That is why the final answer is just this. Okay. Again, ready to tell me? Can. Is it like that? Is that equal? No. Right, so write down the thing. X bracket 12 minus x is more than 27. Then this become an inequality question. How do you solve this? Expand then. So I must go over. So can you do it now?
Wait, so why is it like suddenly, like at the end of A, right, it's 12x minus x squared? Oh,
I never expand, but can you expand? Yes. So your expand is still correct. 12x minus x squared. Is there a danger thing that trigger your alarm? Very good. The negative x squared is the trigger thing. It's not wrong, but we are used to positive x squared. So what happens when you multiply everything by negative 1? What happens to the sign? The sign change. Okay? So after the sign change, then you can factorize. Then you can draw. Then you can shade. Then you can have the answer. Is this okay? Yes. C. Is this okay? C. Find the maximum area of the rectangle. Maximum x. Do you want maximum x or minimum x? This is 12 minus x. X is the length. Find the maximum area. What do you all think? This is 3. This is 9. Area equals to 12x minus x squared equals to x 12 minus x. What do you think is x? So try. 8 multiplied by 12 minus 8 equals to, is it 36? It's 32, right? Then after that, when x equals to 4, area is equals to 4 times 12 minus 8 equals to 32, right? Sorry. I too fast. It's 32, right? Now, can I zoom into here? So far, anyone don't know what I'm doing? Do you know why I choose 8 and 4? Do you know why I choose 8 and 4? Yes, Yes, Because must be bigger than 3, right? Must be smaller than 9, right? But first thing I don't like is, it need not be 4. It can be 3.1, am I correct? It can be 3.11, am I correct? So if I use this method, I'm going to get into trouble. Because there are a million numbers to try. Do you agree? Agree, Then how? Then I realize, I choose the biggest number, No, wrong. Wrong because the answer say wrong, my answer say 36, right? Then I choose a small number, also wrong, 32. How do I get this, Someone said it's 36 because x is 6. But you need to understand why x is 6. So, can we go back to the graph again? Now, the graph says, can you draw the graph? This is 3, this is 9. Agree? This is 3, this is 9. And you want any number that is below. Do you see that x itself can vary in between here? But there is a special point, which is turning point. Do you see that? That's the turning point. So if I look at the turning point, this turning point occurs when x is equal to 3 plus 9 over 2, x is equal to 6. Right? So when I put turning point inside, then I realize that this is actually the highest area. Huh? Okay, why is it the highest area? Let me try to explain. Do you notice that this graph, I tweak something? Okay, you done with this? Done with this, So you say that area is bigger, write down, area is bigger at x smallest, right? And x smallest is when x is equal to 6, right? X smallest. Sorry, I used the wrong word. X minimum, no, x. This is x. So the x. Sorry. Let me cancel again. The line of symmetry, correct or not? Yeah, turning point. Turning point line of symmetry. Let me at this point. Agree so far? So when x is 6, can we calculate the area first? Area equals to what? 6 times 12 minus 6 equals to 36 meter squared, cm squared. Is this okay? Can I move the screen towards the right side? Can Now, do you notice that this equation is x squared minus 12x plus 27 is less than 0? Do you notice? Am I correct? But do you realize that I did something to this equation? By right, the equation is what? Minus x squared plus 12x minus 27 is more than 0. That means this equation by right is like that one. Why like that? Because there's a minus square, right? But I tell you, never mind, all the minus square change back to plus x squared. So you forever will draw a smiley face. But in actual fact, it was like that at the beginning. Let me introduce the axis. Do you know that this axis on top here is actually called the area? This one is actually the x. Can I zoom into the graph already? Now, do you notice something about the area? The area goes from very low up to a highest point, then come down. So we say that the highest area, the biggest area is at this magic point where x is equal to 6. Do you follow? But the graph on the other side doesn't make sense because the graph on the other side gives you a minimum curve. So this is the max area. If you understand, good. If you don't understand, you still can get an A1 in max. So not to like, wow, but it's good to try and understand it. So go and rewatch again or go and redo again, see whether it makes sense to you or not. You have to talk to yourself. See whether it makes sense, don't make sense, then talk to me. Okay? Can I pause the video here? Yeah.
So the one on the left, right?
Yeah. You should use it for exam because whether the left or right, you realize that when this is more than 0, x is between 3 to 9. When this is less than 0, x is between 3 to 9. So if you use this in exam, you will let you get the inequality mark. But to explain why maximum area, it doesn't make sense because it doesn't look like the minimum area. Oh, no, it's draw a graph. The graph is just pure graph working. But I want to explain to you why is it maximum area. It started like that. You have to look at the graph, yes. And you have to look at the turning point. So if you understand this, you really understand the topic. So what is left is practice. Go and practice and you're okay. Can? Right, I start the video here, all done with copying.